Hello and welcome. I'm super excited to have you here today, and I'm very happy that you have decided to take up this course. To introduce myself, I am Abhishek and I am your instructor in this course. But before we start, it's very important to know what all we are going to learn so that we can have a very clear learning path and we know what we are going to get after the end of this course. We will start this course right from understanding how to identify if a contract contains a lease, and to achieve this, we will build an understanding surrounding the terms like underlying assets, right to control, and substitution rights. We will discuss how you need to evaluate these three gating conditions by following a structured approach. Then we will get into the lease period and see which periods we should include and exclude from it, when there is an extension and termination option. We will take an overview of the lessee accounting and see how we can learn it in a structured way following a step-by-step approach. Then we will see the concepts on discount rate, wherein we understand how to determine implicit rate of interest and what are the factors that are relevant for determining incremental borrowing rate. We will take insights on variable lease payments, understanding variable lease components, and computing lease liability and ROU. We will deal each one of them with practical examples so you can have a clear understanding to all these terms. Then we will see lessor's perspective and know lease classification in finance lease and operating lease. This will also lead us to know and discuss residual value, which we'll cover much in detail. And at the end, we will discuss some special topics which rarely occurs or we usually don't deal with them on a regular basis. These include lease modifications, COVID rent concessions, sale and leaseback, sublease. Thorough understanding of these topics will give you an edge over your colleagues, and you will stand apart when management seeks initial views on transactions related to any of these matters. And then we will touch base gap differences with ASC 842 and Ind AS 116. Throughout the course, we will take enough examples to understand each concept, and I have also included multiple case studies so that you can practice them well. So we have to cover a lot, and I can promise that post completion of this course, you will have an advanced level of understanding of leasing standard, and you will be able to use it to solve complex accounting issues at your workplace. Rest assured that you will understand all the concepts well, and if you still have any doubts, you can post your questions in the Q&A section of this course. You can also join, which I certainly recommend, my discussion forum at Discord to post your questions and have meaningful discussions. I think I talked enough about the course, and it's time when we should start doing the things. So let's get into the course.